There's no hiding the back of the card there, BK. I gotta open it slow and simple. BK, I'm telling you, the last time you opened one of these, it was the Dollar Girl pulled you a Wayne Gretzky. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. Hold on, I gotta make sure I don't. Oh my God. BK, let us know what you're having in that mug of yours tonight.
Oh my God. Oh man.
You're looking for Ovechkin, well, you're just gonna have to just deal with it. I will stop the music, BK. Oh my goodness. No, we pulled the Ovechkin. I don't know, the Crosby, he's got one of the best autographs out there. I don't think it's autographed, but either way, wow. Brian Kusama. A man that doesn't seem to age both in looks and on the ice. That is the Sid the Kid Crosby. BK, I was thinking you were having a nice cup of decaf frappuccino. That's what I thought was in that mug. Yeah. Oh, it's Sid the Kid, one of the greatest autographs out there. He always does that little 87 in the box.